Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss one practice question based on the concept of image processing in MATLAB, whatever I have discussed in my previous videos. Okay, so we have seen several morphological operation. Along with that, we have also seen the concept of the labeling of the connected components in a binary image. Okay, so let us solve one problem where we need to apply concept from both this particular topic. Okay, so the question is shown below an image with a number of touching black discs against a white background. Construct a program that will count the number of discs. Okay, so if we simply manually count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 disc black discs are present. Now we need to write one computer program which will give us the result same as 14. Okay, pause my video, try to think about one algorithm which can be implemented for solving this particular question. Try in MATLAB, check whether it is giving correct output or not. If it is not giving correct output, no need to worry, here I am explaining. Okay, so what we need to do, first thing first, here black is object, white is background, but in morphological operation and extracting the labeled components or connected components, what we have done, we have seen white as object, black as background. So first of all we will convert this particular image to its negative form, that is complement we will take, and we will make white, this black dishes as white and the white background as black. Then what we can do, we will label this. Okay, and you know, in case of BW label, if we choose two output parameter, then the first one will give us the labeled image and second one will give us total number of objects present in the binary image. But if you directly apply BW label, as all these big discs are connected to each other, so it will give a single object as a whole. Okay, so first of all we need to detach these discs. Okay, that means we need to shrink the size of the disk. Okay, and how to remove the connection between two connected components, which I have already discussed in morphological operation, that is we can apply erosion, because erosion shrinks the object. So due to shrinking, what will happen, the object will go apart from each other, away from each other, so as a result the connection will be automatically shrink. But carefully we need to select the structuring element for erosion. Here it is quite clear, we need to take disk structuring element and the radius of the disk structuring element should be near to our this particular circular shape of a particular disk. Okay, you can take that by trial and error method. Don't take it very much high, otherwise complete erosion will completely remove the object, but you have to take it sufficiently high to remove the connections. Okay, so here let me show you the MATLAB implementation. Very simple. CLC clear closure warning off, as we generally write. Then A equal to IM binarize, complement of IM binarize RGB to gray IM read C.jpg. I am taking that RGB image. This is although an binary image, but in examination they might give as RGB image. So convert, after reading, convert to gray, and then I am implementing IM binarize. But as I have told you, we need to perform complement of that to make white as object and black as background. Then IM show a title is original image. Let us check our original image once. So this is our original image. Okay, now if we simply apply BW label, what will be the count value for this particular object? Let us check. So xy equal to BW label A. So what we will do, we will just run this simple line. Okay, control A, evaluate selection. So what we should get, x value will be giving us labeled image, that is for the particular binary image A, but we are not interested in that, we are interested in counting number of disks. So y is required, right? So we will simply write y and we should get the value 1. No, we are getting 2. Now you may think, why? Is there anything wrong? No, there is nothing wrong, but if you observe the particular image after implementing thresholding, this looks like completely connected. But if I just take the mouse zoom option, and here if I zoom, see here one particular pixel is situated apart from the original structure of our disk. Okay, so this is again counted as another object. Okay, so that it is giving two results. All right, there is no problem in the algorithm. Okay, then what we are doing, we are taking structuring element of disk of size 30. I have, as I have told you, we have to take sufficiently large size to just make all them disconnected. Then I am erode a comma b, performing erosion and showing the eroded output, and on the eroded form of image we are applying BW level D, and by default, as you know, we are not giving the second parameter, it will by default take 8 neighbors, right? So if I now run the code, see how beautifully we are getting. So this is our original disk image which is complemented form. We are separating all of them, right? And see, as a result, this small dot which was appearing, that also is removed due to erosion. Now how many total disks are present? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. If you count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, right? So 14 we are getting, and all are not at all connected with each other. But let us check whether we are getting same or not. So x1 will be giving us labeled image and y1 will give us the count value. So if we write y1 and hit enter, beautifully we are getting 14. Okay, so this is the application question where we need to implement the concept of erosion, that is morphological operation, as well as the labeling of connected component or extracting connected component from a binary image. Okay, so this is the concept. Same code will be posted in the description box. If you want, you can check there, and don't forget to check my previous videos in the image processing using MATLAB playlist to understand how BW label works, what is the algorithm working behind that, or intuition. Okay, how erosion works, what is the algorithm behind that. Okay, all I have explained in detail. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.